Hello YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. So on today's menu is Tigernut Atadwe. In Ghana, Tigernut is called Atadwe. So Atadwe Tigernut Pudding. So this pudding is lovely. It can go on your cake. You can eat it by its own. You can replace it with your custard really. So let's start. So I've got 1 cup, so that's 1 cup of the Tigernut, and I blend it with 1 cup water. I use alkaline water, so 1 cup alkaline water, and I'm going to blend it. Then we squeeze the milk out. So it's been blended, and I'm going to sift it because it comes with a lot of roughage. So that's it. That's the milk. You can drink it like that as a milk. You can add stuff like how you use your milk. So just like how we have the coconut milk, cashew, you have it, your Tigernut milk. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it once more, the chaff. I'm going to blend it once more, then extract it again. So I'll add another cup of water to it, 1 cup, and blend it again. Blended the chaff again, the roughage, and sifting it. So I use this, but you can use anything like mesh cloth or any white cloth you use for sifting your stuff up. But I use this because I don't want it too smooth. I want a bit of fiber in it. So I'm adding about 1/8, not 1/8, it's a pinch, just a tiny bit of nutmeg and a pinch of cinnamon. Just a pinch. Too much will overpower it, but just a tiny bit to make a whole lot of difference. And I'm using vanilla bean paste. That's what I use. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Then normally I use coconut sugar, but I'm going to use the white one so you know how the color is when you do it with custard sugar. But if I'm just doing it, preparing it for home, I use coconut sugar because it's brown, it's organic, it's unrefined. So I'm going to turn on my heat to the highest. So whatever you cook your porridge on. I've got the Mark III on my electric stove. And the thing about Tigernut pudding, I've been told, I haven't tried otherwise, that you only stir in one direction. If you stir in a different direction, it becomes watery. So yeah, I never want to experiment with my Tigernut, so I keep on doing what I've been told. So it's been on for about 8 minutes, and it's done. It's done when it coats the back of your ladle. So our pudding is done. I forgot to add salt, so just a pinch of salt. And I've put it back on for it to mix well and cook with it. So what I do with my Tigernut pudding, I go the extra mile. So I'm going to top it up with fresh cream. So this is what I use, the Waitrose extra thick and rich indulgent double cream. I top it up with the fresh cream and I give it a crispy base. We'll be doing all that today, so scoop that in. Then I use, this is a 1/4 teaspoon, so plus this will be 1/2 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste. see how runny it is? I'll have to whisk it till it becomes thick and forms a trail. It's thickened, so our cream is now ready. Now I'm going to do the crispy base. So I'm going to use the crunchy cream for my base, the crunchy base. So because this has got cream in it, I'm not taking the cream out. Usually you can add butter to make it a bit soft, but to be healthy, I'm not adding the butter, but you can add butter to it to make it a bit soft. And I'm doing it on the loader. I'm using the star nozzle to pipe out, and I'm adding a bit of color. This is how it looks with the red food color. And now to make it easier, I put the nozzle in and I fix it in a cup. And when you put the cream in, it's easier, so it doesn't go all over the place. So that's our crispy base. Tigernut pudding has set, so I'm going to pop it on top. And you can have it by itself without anything, just the pudding. So you see the consistency. Yum yum. So now I'm going to pipe our cream on top. Oh, look at that. Try it, people. Try it, try it, try it, and you will thank me. And do you know what they say of Tigernut pudding? You can research. It says Aphrodisiac. Did you know that? So there you have it, people. Tigernut pudding with crispy base, topped with fresh cream and glazed cherries. And you can have it without the crispy base and top it up with cream, or you can omit the cream. So there you have it, people. Try it and let me know what you think. And for more recipes like this, click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new video, you know first. And thank you.